Okay, so this is a Latitude Cardinal that I've had Seymour Duncan Pearly Gates put in, back and front, by Colton Suttles. I'm playing through a Blackstar ID Core 3 amp. You just gotta hear how these pickups sound. That's the bridge. This is the, so it's not even a tube amp. It's, what a transformation. That is wicked, my friends. I'm shooting this with an iPhone. The amp's behind me, so you're probably not getting tremendous sound, but that's the neck pickup, the in-between here. That is just bad. I love it. Little bad amp too. I might start using this live. I'll show you what they sound like. Pearly Gates in one of these headless Cardinals. Pretty sweet. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.